بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are good. This is our maths class, and in maths class we started topic time. In previous class we did some copy working, and today we are going to do some book working. So today we are going to start exercise 6A. We are of the same topic of this topic time, and today we will do book working, page number 170 and 171 for old. For those who are having old book, and for those who are having new book, they have to open page number 172 and 173. Okay, in these pages we have different questions. We have fill in the blanks, true, false, MCQs, and we are going to solve them. Okay, before coming to the book working, I want to tell you some of the key points. Like, we know that in one day we have 24 hours. How many hours we have in one day? 24 hours. 12 hours means 12 hours from midnight, from 12 midnight till 12 noon. The time will be AM. The time will be mentioned with AM. And from 12 noon till 12 midnight, the time will be mentioned with this PM. What is AM and what is PM? Today we are going to learn this. AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. So for this you have to open page number 165. Here, it's page number 165. Okay, so we have learned that each day is made up of 24 hours. We have 24 hours in one day. Our day ends at 12 midnight and a new day begins at the same time at 12 midnight. Means our day ends at 12 midnight and new day starts at 12 midnight. Here the chart is mentioned. One day is equal to 24 hours, 12 hours with AM and 12 hours with PM. AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. The time from midnight, 12 midnight till 12 noon means all the time which exist in these timing. Like, it will be 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM, 8 AM, 9 AM, 10 AM, 11 AM and 12 AM. Okay. Now after 12 noon, the time will be written with PM. It will be post-meridiem. The time which exists in from 12 noon till 12 midnight will be PM, means post-meridiem. AM stands for ante-meridiem and PM stands for post-meridiem. Okay, so moving to today's work, which is on page number 170. As I have told, for those who are having new book, they have to open page number 172. Here we have, it's exercise 6A. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A is, our day has dash hours. As I told you just right now that our day is equal to 24 hours. So we have written 24 here. B, there are 12 hours between midnight and the 12 hours starting from midnight till noon. It will be 12 hours. C, 8 AM is 9 hours after dash. Means here you have to write the time, that if it is 8 AM, so what will be the time before 9 hours. So I have written 1 till 9, like 9 hours, and now I will count backward from 8. I will start from 8. It's 8 AM. Let's start counting. 7 a.m., 6 a.m., 5 a.m., 4 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m. After 1, 12. It will be changed. It will be 12 p.m. and 11 p.m. So what will be the time before 9 hours before 8 a.m.? The time will be 11 p.m. p.m. means post meridian. Got it? D. There are dash hours between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. You have to write the hours, that how many hours is between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. So I have written the timing after 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5 I have written. Now let's count the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours. There are 7 hours between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Moving to next now. E. 200 minutes make dash hour dash minutes. You have to write that how many hours and how many minutes exist in 200 minutes. First we have to take out the hours. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If I will multiply 60 with 3, means with the 3 hours, the timing will be 180 minutes. It's 180 minutes. And we have total 200 minutes. I have minus 180. The remaining is 20, means 3 hours and 20 minutes. So I have written this, that 200 minutes make 3 hours 20 minutes. Done with the fill in the blanks? Okay. Moving to next question, which is state whether the following are true or false. You have to read the statement and you have to write if it is true or false. A. Our day is from 12 midnight to 12 midnight. 12 midnight means day start from 12 midnight and day ends at 12 midnight. Yes, it's true. B. Noon comes after morning. Yes, noon comes after morning. That's true. C. Every day begins at noon. False. The day begins at midnight, not at noon. So this is false. D. There are 14 hours between noon and midnight. Is there 14 hours between noon and midnight? No. 12 hours. So this is false. You have to write false here. Next, there are 600 minutes in an hour. False. How many minutes is in 1 hour? 60 minutes, but they are asking about 600. They are saying there are 600 minutes. So it's false. Okay. These were fill in the blanks and true false, which was on page number 170. Now moving to next page, page number 171 for those who have old, and for those who have new book, they have to open page number 173. Okay. Question number 3 is on page number 171, and the question is select the correct answer from the given option. Means option are given and you have to select the correct option and you have to mark on the correct one. A. 1 hour 20 minutes is same as 80 minutes, 120 minutes, 90 minutes or 45 minutes. As we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and if we add 20 with 60, the timing will be 80. So it will be 80 minutes. So 80 minutes is the correct answer. B. Midnight comes after. Midnight comes after 12 noon? No. 1 a.m.? No. 11 a.m.? No. 11 p.m. After 11 p.m. it will be 12 midnight. Okay. C. Our day ends at. As I told you, our day start at 12 midnight and our day ends at 12 midnight at the same time. So 12 noon is not correct, 10 p.m. is not correct, 11:59 p.m. is also not correct. Which is the correct one? It's 12 midnight. D. How many minutes in 3 hours? Means you have to tell that how many minutes is in 3 hours. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes, so we will multiply 60 with 3. The correct answer will be 180 minutes. Not 120, not 240, not 140. The correct answer is 180 minutes. Okay? Moving to next now. 15 minutes before 6:45 p.m. is, means you have to tell the time 15 minutes before 6:55. Is it 6 p.m.? No. 6 p.m.? No. 6:15 p.m.? No, it's also not correct. 6:30 p.m. is the correct answer. So you have to tick on 6:30 p.m. Next. Question number 4 is use AM or PM to write the times given below. You have to write AM or PM accurately. Okay. A they have already done, so let's read from the A. 8 o'clock in the morning. As I told you, the timing from 12 midnight till 12 noon is AM. Will be written with AM. And after 12 noon till 12 midnight, it will be written in PM. Okay. 8 o'clock in morning. Morning exists in 12 midnight till 12 noon. So it will be written with AM. 8 AM. B. 3 o'clock in afternoon. Afternoon. Okay. The PM will be started. Like if it is 1 o'clock, the time will be 1 p.m. So they are asking about 3 o'clock. So it will be 3 p.m. Okay. C. 5 hours before noon. Noon is on 12. They are asking before 5 hours of noon. The timing will be 7 a.m. because before noon we have a.m. and after noon we have p.m. and they are asking about 5 hours before noon. 5 hours means 7 and before noon we will have to mention a.m. D. 2 hours before midnight. After midnight times is written with a.m. and before midnight with p.m. So 2 hours before midnight. Midnight is equal to 12. 12 and before 2 hours before means 10 and we have to write p.m. with 10. 10 p.m. E. 1 o'clock in the morning is 1 a.m. F. 9 o'clock at night, it's 9 p.m. G. Half an hour before noon means half hour before noon is 11:30 and before noon we mention a.m. Last is 7 in the evening. It's 7 o'clock of evening means 7 p.m. Done with this? Okay, skip question number 5. Coming to question number 6. And question number 6 is answer the following questions. A. How many hours does the hour hand take to move from 2 to 6? Means if the hour hand is on 2 and when hour hand move to 6, so how many hours it will take? It will take 4 hours. After 4 hours, if the time is on 2 after 4 hours, it will be 6. Okay? B. B part is how many minutes does the minute hand take to move from 2 to 5? Means if the minute hand is on 2, it's going on 3, then 4, then 5. So you have to write how many minutes it will take. So we will count the difference. 2 till 3, 5 minutes. 3 till 4, 5 minutes. 4 till 5, 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 5, 15 minutes. It will take 15 minutes. How many minutes we have written here? 15 minutes. So, it was all about today's class. So we have to means done these two pages 170 and 171 which we have done. Hope you have got all the means all the questions how to solve and what are the process to solve. Fill in the blanks are some tricky. You have to means solve by yourself. You have to solve all the pages by yourself. Okay, so I hope you have done and now you can solve easily. See you soon in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.